We have the storm damage here. You see our guys removing some defective roof decking. So we're going to be putting new decking in. Had one of the big trees here. One of the limbs fell off and punctured the roof. So that's what you see us doing here right now. Okay, we just got finished doing a roof repair. One of the tree branches fell down and pierced the roof in 3 separate places. Down here, right here, and up at the ridge vent here. So yeah, everything's nice and tight now. Ready for the next rain with no water coming inside the home there.